Referees ready, management ready. Beginning of the first set, the level of the project. Jump ball between Sana and Samson Nakuha Lopez. A loose ball. Abrera. Last 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Back to Mendoza. Abrera back to Mendoza. Shot clock 15. Mendoza drop. Good ball, 2 points. Mendoza down by Masaya. Pass to Masinas. Shot clock 20. Masinas pass to Lopez. Lopez at rest. No good rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza pass to Abrera. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Yes, Sana good for 2 points. Yes, Sana. Leanyo. Setting a play. Pass to Masinas. Haras by Macas. Masinas setting a play. Drive sa Pinas. There's a foul. Macas first personal foul. First team foul. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 15. Pass to Samson. Shot clock 13. Leanyo. Leanyo jump. No good. Rebound by Rosales. Single. Shot clock 14. Samson. Samson. Pass to Masaya sa ilalim. Nabitawan na bola. Nakuha ni Sana. Pass to Mendoza. Last 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Mendoza. Pass to Macas. Macas at rest. No good. Rebound by Samson. Offensive foul. Samson. First personal foul. First team foul. First personal foul. Samson. Last 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Inbound by Leanyo. Leanyo drives. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Pass to Abrera. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Abrera jump. No good. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza good for 2 points. Mendoza. Last 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Masinas. Official one score 6-0. Leanyo good for 2 points. Leanyo last 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Abrera. Abrera. Haras by Masinas. Pass to Mendoza. Shot clock 13. Abrera. Traveling violation. Leanyo. No good. Nakuha ni Basaya. Haras by Abrera. Basaya. Nagkakapasan. Jump. There's a foul. Yes, Sana. Yes, Sana. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 bonus shot to 1 and 2. Basaya. Basaya for his first throw. No good. Basaya for his last throw. Jump first ready. Last 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Good for 1 point for Basaya. Down by Rosales. Pass to Macas. Pass to Abrera. Abrera behind the back. Shot clock 18. Macas at rest. No good. Shot clock. Shot clock 14. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza haras by Masinas. Shot clock 10. Pass to Cabrera sa gitna. Pass to Liasana. Liasana. Rebound by Samson. Pass to Liaño. Liaño. Pass to Lopez. Lopez lumipad. There is a foul. Mendoza. Mendoza. First personal foul. Team foul. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds. Official one score 3-6 in favor of this France. Good for 1 point and Lopez. Dalawa lang po ang kalaban ng this France. Lopez for his last row jumpers ready. Good for 1 point and complete shot over to Lopez and foul by Rosales. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to Abrera. Abrera pass by Lopez. Pass to Magas. Magas stepping on the line. Malinaw pa ako sa red. Time out red. Please friends, pagpatay out 4 dito kayo sa management. Hindi na sa laban. Inbound by Lopez. Pass to Masinas. Shout out kay Villar. Happy birthday. Traveling violation. Happy birthday kay winner song Villar. Mendoza. Mendoza. Masinas sa Mendoza right. Isa lays up. So good na. By Samson. Still by Mendoza sa ilalim. There is a foul. Samson. Second personal foul, first team foul. Basket count. Good for 1 point, Mendoza. Samson, pass to Liaño, pass to Masinas. Last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Masinas, pass to Liaño. Lopez, good for 3 points. Lopez, isa na lang po ang kalabangan ng this France. Abrera, shot clock ready. Last 1 minute and 9 seconds. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza sa gitna play. Shot clock 14. Pass to Abrera sa gitna. Abrera, pass to Rosales. Good. Liaño, pass to no good, that's 55 seconds. Mendoza, napagay ni Mendoza, pass to Abrera. Abrera lumipad, no good. Napagay ni Mendoza. There's a foul. Masinas. Masinas. First personal foul, second team foul. Last 46 seconds. Mendoza for his 2-point shot. Mendoza for his free throw. No answer. Mendoza for his last row jumpers ready. Nakuha ni Liaño. Liaño. There's a foul. Blocking foul of Mendoza. Mendoza, second personal foul. Running for penalty. Last 40 seconds. Pass to Lopez at 3. No good. Rebound by Liasana. Last 25 seconds. Pass to Abrera. Abrera. Sa ilalim. Moving out. No good. Nakuha ni Samson. Last 25 seconds. Liaño. Liaño drives. Survive pinasa kay Masinas sa ilalim. Last 20 seconds. No good. Rebound by Liaño. Liaño bumangga. Block by Liasana. Last 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Pass to Liaño. Liaño. Pass to Masaya sa gitna. No good. Last 5 seconds. Samson. There is a foul. Makas. Makas. Second personal foul. Penalty situation. Happy watching kay Kakawan Judel.
Ano, dyan ka na lang?
Samson, good for 1 point. Samson, last at 2 points. Last 2. Basin na lang! End of the first quarter. Beginning of the second quarter of the game. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza harap sa Lopez. Mendoza umikot. Pass sa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Rosales. Change favor. Please find them. Pass to Marcinas. Marcinas. Pass to Legaño. Sa ilalim. Salamero no good. Rebound by Mendoza. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Abrera, harap sa Marcinas. Abrera steal by Marcinas. Pass to there's a foul at sportsmanlike foul. Abrera, the jersey number 99. UEFA foul. Happy birthday kay Winnerson Pinyar. Good for 1 point. Marcinas.
Happy birthday pa din!
Happy birthday, baby!
Happy birthday pa din!
Good for 1 point. Good shot by Marcinas. Change favor. Basketballeros.
Happy birthday pa din! Pa din!
Rebound by Lopez. Pass to Marcinas. Harap by De Los Santos. Shot clock 20. Marcinas at the play. Steal by De Los Santos. Pass to Abrera. Abrera lays up. Good for 2 points. Change favor. Please friends. Rebound by Legaño. Pass to Lopez. Plus 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Lopez. Setting a play. Pinasa ilalim. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Jump ball. Ball.
Same ball. Same ball, same ball.
Same ball.
Same ball. Oo. Tama na tayo.
Same ball.
Dahil hindi pa
Shot clock 17.
Dahil?
Samson, pass to Legaño. Harap sa De Los Santos. Legaño jump. No good. Rebound by Salamero. Salamero bumalik. There is a foul. Foul. Rosales. Rosales. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 point shot. 1-2. Salamero. Salamero for his free throw. Good for 1 point. Salamero. Deadlock 13. Salamero for his last row jumpers ready. Complete shot by 1-2. Salamero. Change favor lang po ng isa. Basketballeros. Mendoza pass to Abrera. Shot clock 16. Pass to De Los Santos. Back to Abrera. Abrera sa ilalim. Turn over. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Bola ng Basketballeros. Inbound by Legaño. Pass to Lopez. Last 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Lopez. Turnover. Last 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Bola ng Chris Friends. Last 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Inbound by De Los Santos. Pass to Mendoza. Shot clock 19. Abrera. Pass to Marcinas. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos 3. No good. Nakuha ni Marcinas. Pass to break kay Lopez. Lopez lays up. Good for 2 points. Lopez. Last 3 minutes. Abrera. Harap sa Legaño. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos harap sa Marcinas. Pass to Abrera. Shot clock 15. Pass sa ilalim. Nabitawan ng bola. Time out break. Hold by these friends. Last.
Sino ba mo?
Resumption of the second quarter of the game. Masinas sa pasto Lianyo pinasa gitna. Nakuha ni Samson, shot clock 17. Samson, pasto Lopez sa tres. No good. Nakuha ni Lasana, pasto Mendoza. Nagpamadali. Points. Nakuha ni Salamero. Pass si Samson. Samson lays up. Good boy. 2 points. Samson last 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Abarrera. Paso de las Santos. Sabre. De los Santos out. De los Santos in. De los Santos out. De los Santos in. Lopez drives to good rebound by Mendoza. Last 2 minutes, pass play kay Abarrera sa ilalim, good for 2 points. Abarrera. Masinas, pass to Lopez. Back to Masinas. Umata kay Joe. Good for 2 points. Masinas. Last 1 minute and 38 seconds. De los Santos. Pass to Mendoza. Back to De los Santos. Haras kay Lianyo. Pass to Lesana. Tawa ng bola. Third number. Last 1 minute and 31 seconds. Waiting for technical bench. Segment for a corner. Okay, Lianyo. Pass to Masinas na si 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pass to Lopez. Pass to Lianyo. Fake sa 3. No good. Nakuha ni. Last 1 minute and 7 seconds.
Ate Janet, next na dyan yung version 2.0?
Lima lang po ang kalabangan ng basketballeros. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Lopez. Shot clock 12. Pass to Lianyo. Joe. No good. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Pass to steal by Lianyo. Nakuha ni Masinas. Pass to Lopez si Grimes. Pass to Lianyo. Pinasa na rin isang set. Bumangga. 3 seconds violation. Last 55 seconds. Mendoza. Pass to Abarrera. Last 50 seconds. Pass to Lianzana. Shot clock 16, pass to Abarrera sa gitna, pinasa sa Teo Sales. Basket count. Who's foul red? 17. Samson. Third personal foul, principal. Samson out. Gomez in. Ball shot for 1 goal. Rosales. Last 22 seconds. Good for 1 point. Dalawa na lang po ang kalaban ng basketballeros. Inbound by Gomez. Pass to Lianyo. Setting a play. Haras by Abarrera. Last 35 seconds. Lianyo sa ilalim. Kay Salamero. No wood. Nakuha ni Salamero. Shot clock 12. Masinas. Nakuha ni Masinas. Good for 2 points. Masinas. Last 20 seconds. Running time po. Pass to Mendoza. Last 15. Last 10. Nakuha ni Masinas. Last 5. There's a foul. Mendoza. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Last 3.7 seconds. 2-1 shot. 1-2. And Lopez. Good for 1 point. And Lopez.
3.7.
Last 3.7 seconds. And Lopez. Complete shot. 1-2. Lopez. Inbound by Sana. Pass to Barrera. Last 2. Winner of the game, officials running score. Galingan mo daw, Mr. Gomez.
Sabi ni Judel!
No good. Inbound by Gomez. Pass to Leandro. Leandro, pass to Reynasia. Reynasia sa 3. Pass to Baita sa ilalim. Nice skill ni Mendoza. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Mendoza, nagmamadali. Good for 2 points. Mendoza, apat na lang po ang kalawangan ng basketball. Inbound by Baita. Pass to Reynasia. Reynasia, haras ba dyan sa nakulitan? Pass to Gomez, base, pass to Basaya. Basaya, pass to Reynasia. Reynasia, last 14 seconds shot clock. Leandro jump, no good. Shot clock 14. Reynasia again, no good. Rebound by Mendoza. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Mendoza, still by Baita. Pass to Leandro. Leandro nabitawan ng bola. Pass to Baita. Baita sa gitna. Good for 2 points. Baita. Last 3 minutes and 51 seconds. Abrera. There's a foul. Leandro. Leandro. First personal foul. First team foul. Sabit. Rosales out.
Anong makas ito, makas? Iyo, makas yan.
Makas. Jersey number 3 in. Inbound by Abrera. Pass to Makas. Shot clock 15. Makas sa John. No good. Rebound by Baita. Pass to Gomez. Gomez to Grimes. Pass to Reynasia sa 3. No good. Nakuha ni Basaya. Last 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Inbound by Makas. Pass to pass to Makas. Back to Abrera. Abrera sa 3. Third ball. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza sa ilalim. Driving violation. Last 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Inbound by Basaya. Pass to Gomez. Last 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Gomez. Pass to Leandro. Back to Gomez sa gitna. Sa ilalim kay Baita. Good for 2 points. Baita. Makas. Setting a play. Haras by Reynasia. Shot clock 17. Pass to Liasana. Liasana. Pass to Mendoza. Sa 3. No good. Nakuha ni Abrera sa ilalim. There's a foul. Gomez, first personal foul, second team foul. Last 2 minutes and 32 seconds. 2-1 shot by 1-2. Abrera. Abrera for his personal. Good for 1 point, Abrera. Abrera for his lateral. Rebound by Gomez. Gomez, pass to Reynasia. Pass to Leandro sa ilalim. Block by Makas. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to Liasana. Liasana lays up. Good for 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Inbound by Basaya. Pass to Reynasia. Official one score 28-23. Di ba na mo kalaban? Basketball. Reynasia para sa may Abrera. Reynasia. Pass to Baita. Baita sa gilid. Pass to Gomez. Gomez sa 3. No good. Nakurali. Baita. Pass to Reynasha, shot clock 10. Reynasha, no good. Nakuha ni Basaya, pass to Lianyo. Lianyo, good for 2 points. Plus 1 minute and 56 seconds. Makas. Haras by Lianyo. Setting a play. Pass to Jason Nakabaliktad. No good. Liasana, good for 2 points. Luminipan ka bigla. Reserve timeout. Reynasha. Reynasha. Haras by Jason Nakabaliktad. Reynasha. Drives. Jump. No good. Rebound by Liasana. Pass to Makas. Last 1 minute and 28 seconds. Makas haras by Reynasha. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. Pass to Abrera. Shot clock 14. Mendoza drives. Block by Basaya. Nakuha ni Abrera. Shot clock 8. Good for 2 points. Abrera. Rebound by Basaya. Pass to Reynasha. Reynasha haras by Jason Nakabaliktad. Last 1 minute. Lianyo. Drives. Nakuha ni Abrera. Abrera. Haras by Gomez. Pass to Mendoza. No good. Abrera good for 2 points. Abrera. Isa na lang po ang kalabangan ng basketballeros. Reynasha. Haras by Mendoza. Reynasha. Drives. No good. Nakuha ni Jason Nakabaliktad. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza is out. Basket. Basket. Change favor. This one is foul. Lianyo. Lianyo. Foul. Timeout. Go by basketball. Last resumption of the 31 seconds. 31 seconds. The ball is shot. The word in 2. Mendoza. No good. Nakuha ni Gomez. Last 30 seconds. Pass to Lopez. Pass to Lianyo. Lianyo is up. There is a foul. Liasana. Liasana. Second personal foul. First team foul. Last 26 seconds. 2 ball shot. 1-2. Lianyo. Good for 1 point. Deadlock 1, deadlock 31. Lianyo for his last move. Good. 1 point. Change favor. Nakabola isa. Basketball. Violation. Last 24 seconds. Lianyo. Pass to Reynasha. Reynasha drives. Pass to Gomez. Gomez pinali. Very good. Last 20 seconds. Reynasha. Shot clock 17. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Steal by Lopez. Last 13 seconds. Lopez sa 3. Good for 3 points. Lopez. Last 5 seconds. Last 2. Pasin na lang.
Ano pala?
7:45. Makas sa drive si pass to Mendoza. Jersey number 25. Salamero. First personal foul, first foul. Last 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Inbound by Rosales. Pass to Mendoza sa ilalim. Dito nakuha ni Samson. Steal by Mendoza. Mendoza good for 2 points. Pass to Reynasha. Pass to Reynasha. Harap sa Abrera. Reynasha pass to Lopez. Lopez huminga. Juicy number 3. Makas.
Sinabat ay Bunjing. Bunjing!
Personal foul. Personal foul.
Pagsayang ka mong oras.
33-37.
Oras lang ay.
No good. Layan yung Furries na last row jumpers ready. Good go, white na yan. Tumakas sa pasto niya sana. Pasto Abrera. Abrera. Pasto Mendoza. Mendoza. Pasto Abrera. Basket count.
Pang Salamero.
Salamero. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Second. Salamero out.
Ayun kasi Salamero daw ang mapunting foul.
Tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan ng basketballeros. Last 4 minutes and 16 seconds. No good na kuha ni Abrera. Abrera fakes. Good for 2 points. Abrera. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng basketballeros. Reyna siya. Haras by Abrera. Reyna siya nagmamadali. Pass to Gomez. No good. Last 3 minutes and 56 seconds.
Tao-tao din.
Last 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Mendoza. Drives a pass to Liasana. No good. Nakuha ni Samson. There is a foul. Who's moment? Jersey number 99.
Abrera.
Abrera. Abrera. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Lianyo. Lianyo drives and he's up. Good for 2 points. Lianyo. Tumakas sa Rasmay Lopez. Tumakas sa drives. Pass to Abrera. Abrera sa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Abrera. Isa na po ang kalamangan ng basketballeros. Last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes and 17 seconds.
Sige na, tao-tao din ka mo.
Isa na po ang kalamangan ng basketballeros. Pass to Makas. Makas ang pass to Abrera. Abrera drives. Pinalin. No good. Nakuha ni Rosales. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to. No good. Abrera no good again. Nakuha ni Leanyo. Leanyo. Nagmamadali. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. No good. Rebound by Rosales. Pass to Sabre. Penalty break. Bye-bye. Masminas, nakalusot na good for 2 points. Masminas.
Alaban.
Abrera. Abrera pinasa ilalim ng libre-libre. No good. Rosales again. No good. Rebound by Mendoza sa ilalim. There's a foul. Who's fouled? Jersey number 3. Lopez. Lopez. First personal foul. 3 foul. 23. Last 2 minutes and 31 seconds. No good. Rebound by Ray Tansha. Pass to Basinas. Pass to Lianyo. Lianyo drives. Lumitaw na bola. Steal by Sol
Oh!
39-42. Abrera, pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, pass to Abrera. Harassed by Renancia. Shot clock 17. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Mendoza, no good. Nakuha ni Leanyo. Hey, Lopez. Lopez points. Pass to Basinas. Good for 2 points. Basinas sa last 1 minute and 53 seconds. Pass to Makas. Makas haras by Leanncia. Pass to turnover. Last 1 minute and 46 seconds.
Oras na lang!
Lopez. Lopez drives pass to Renancia. Good for 2 points. Renancia. Sabre!
Pwede yun, nakadalawang shoot. Time out.
Time out, right? Pascal Finals, Game 2. Basket Soleros version 2.0 versus Mambapol. Abrera. Pass to steal by Basinas. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Leanyo. Shot clock 16. Lopez. Shot clock 15. Lopez drives pass to Samson. No, nakuha ni Maas. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza drives it to Samuel. Basinas. Basinas, second personal foul, waiting for penalty. Last 1 minute and 18 seconds. Mendoza for his first row. Good for 1 point, Mendoza. Mendoza for his last row jumpers already. Good for 1 point, a complete shot. Lima lang po ang kalamangan ng basketballeros. Pass to Renancia. Pass to Leanyo. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Leanyo drives. Nakuha niya sana. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Makas. Haras by Basinas. Nakuha ni Renancia. Last 56 seconds. Leanyo pass to Basinas. Last 52 seconds. Renancia, no good. Nakuha ni Mendoza.
Ay, malas naman.
Last 46 seconds before the end of the fourth and the final quarter was about. Last 13 seconds shot clock. 36 seconds. Good for 2 points. Lopez, last 23 seconds. Pass to Abrera. Pito lang po ang kalamangan. Last 38 seconds. No good. Bakas. There's a foul. Samson. Running for foul out penalty situation. Last 33 seconds.
Paglangganan nila basketballero, sila naman na
Ha?
championship.
Yes, Sara for his last round of rebound by Renancia. There's a foul, yes, Sara. Third personal foul. Warning for
Warning pa
penalty.
lang.
Last 30 seconds.
Parang nang gano'n, wait, hindi sa championship tapos sa Los Angeles.
Pass to Renancia. Shot clock 16, last 23 seconds. Renancia. There's a foul. Just number 99, Abrera. Third personal foul. Penalty situation. Renancia for his home shot of his numbers. Last 19 seconds before the end of the ball. Renancia for his last row jumpers present. Good for 1 point, Renancia. Bakas. There's a foul. Jersey number 17. Samson,
Pass out.
happy graduation fouled out of penalty situation.
Tan, 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 tan.
Makas for his two body shot the first round, no good.
Sayang. Magaling din ba ganyan sa ano? Yan, puro tres, magaling din ba ganyan?
Makas for his last row jumpers already, no good. Last 10 seconds. Ay ball, last
Di ba
8.
puro ba ganyan tres dati? Mga laro nila dito.
Next game, Basketballers version 2.0 versus last 5. Last 2. And the official score 49-31.